I have on my Ram 1500 2019 taillight cracked, and there is a little crack, but as you can see there is a lot of moisture and some water collection on the bottom of the light, so I have to replace it. I already purchased replacement part, and the first step is to open the tailgate, and here's the tool that I will need to have: 2 pair of pliers, needle nose and end cut, and T25 wrench for to take this screw here and piece of plastic which is behind this cable, which is easy to take off by pulling it up. And here is the plastic piece that I need to pull out with pliers. In order to do that, this piece of plastic, I need to just gently pull it out and wiggle it a little bit till it comes out, and then with the needle nose pliers, all I need to do is pull this other piece out carefully, and this is it, comes together. With a T25 wrench, I need to take these 2 screws out, and at the same time I need to be careful when I take these screws out. I have to hold the light to not come out, and pull it out like that. In order to take this out, pull this thread. Okay, I had to figure out how to take this out, and it is basically to push with the needle nose pliers here on the bottom of the red thing, and it will snap out, and then later just pull it off. Okay, I was thinking it's just to pull this red tab out, but here in this little slot there is a little thing that we need to lift up with the screwdriver, pull it up a little bit and pull off. While at it, we can clean off all this dust. Like you can see, I got original Mopar, and it is having same exact ram and taillight. All we need to do is go in reverse and connect this connector to light. Here's the kick, put red button back and put it same back in. So we have 2 screws to put back in with a T25 wrench, and make sure that it's fitting right, that we don't strip any screws. With both screws in, we need to put these plastic things in by putting them in and pushing. And there we are. Last thing to do is to put the cable up by lifting up a little bit the cable, and I made a mistake. I chose this, but that is wrong place. It needs to go here and catch it behind. That's it. Last thing is to make sure that it works. It does. Take the protective film off, close the tailgate, and that will be it. Very simple. Like I said earlier, very simple, easy to do. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please let me know. Thank you.